is up, my crafty friends? My name is Carrie and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Whether it's your first visit or you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. Y'all, I cannot believe it's time to reveal the March tiered tray box already. Y'all, this year is totally just flying by, isn't it? I've got it right here in this box and I cannot wait to show you what this month's box is all about. But before we get started, I want to say a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. This fantastic ad-free online learning community has tons of premium classes that are added each week. It's also available in French, Spanish, Portuguese, and German. So no matter if you want to learn how to design your own logo, or if you are wanting to jump into something completely new like photography or digital illustration, y'all, Skillshare has got you covered because they've got all of these classes and so much more. Skillshare's got what creative people like us need to stay motivated. I'm sticking to that New Year's resolution to learn something new every single month, and y'all, this month is no exception because I just took this class by Gabrielle Bricky called How to Draw Female Characters. This is an awesome class, and y'all, I can't wait to show you what I did. I'm so proud of myself for finishing this class and actually accomplishing something that I didn't think I could do. Gabrielle used the Copic markers in her class, but I pulled off this same technique using my brand new Arteza alcohol ink markers. And y'all, if you want the opportunity to take all of these awesome classes for your very own for free, I'm going to give the first 1,000 people to use the link down in the description box below a free 1-month trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Y'all, can you believe that I drew this? She kind of looks like me, doesn't she? But I'm totally proud of myself for what I accomplished from taking the Skillshare class. Don't forget, if you want to check out the Skillshare class for yourself, I'll have the link down in the description box below so that you can grab your free trial for your very own. That's enough talking, y'all. Let's open up the box and see your goodies this month. Okay, friends, here is our tiered tray for the month of March. As you can see, it is all about shamrocks and shenanigans, Lucky Charms, and lots of colorful rainbows. I love how this tiered tray turned out, and I cannot wait to see what y'all do with it. Now, this is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to show this painted on camera because I'm crunched for time. I needed to get the box released, but I'm going to be painting my pieces a little bit at a time as I get the opportunity because my husband had back surgery, so I've been wearing my nurse cap, so I won't have time to paint all of this on camera for y'all for this video. But I did want to go ahead and reveal it, release it, so you can get your orders in and have it painted in time for March. So let's go over what is going to come in your box. You're going to get your magically delicious little sign here. And I want to point out that this comes with extra pieces. This piece here is actually just for shipping purposes, but it makes it easier to paint as well. If you want to see how to paint this, you can check out some of my previous videos on what to do with these little extra pieces and how to make it easy to paint. Now, your Lucky Charm is going to have an extra little piece as well. We'll just get rid of that. And your Shamrocks and Shenanigans is going to come with an extra little piece as well. I did make this one extra. I wanted to separate these for you in case you wanted to use your Shamrocks and Shenanigans separately. So just want you to be aware that there are some pieces that are going to come separate this month. Now, one thing that I'm really excited about for this month is our cute little leprechaun. Is he not adorable? He's a gnome leprechaun, but y'all, he has lots and lots of layers. So he's going to come with lots of pieces. You've got his base here. Then you're going to have his second layer. Then you're going to have his hands, and if you want to leave it just like this, you definitely can. But I wanted to give him a little bit more dimension and put his brim of his hat as another layer. And last but not least, wanted to give his little nose just a little bit more depth. I think he is so stinking cute. I cannot wait to get this guy painted. Now, we've also got our little pot of gold at the end of our rainbow. I've got your March the 17th here. You can either have your 17 in the corner. It would also be cute to put your 17 inside your rainbow. Now your pieces are interchangeable, so if you wanted to put your March the 17th here along with some of your other pieces, you could definitely do that. We've got our lucky with our horseshoe in the middle, and I designed it so that your little shamrocks, your little extra shamrock pieces here, your scatter pieces, those can go in the corners, or you can actually just leave it plain, whatever your little heart desires. We've got our little kiss me tag here. We've got a rainbow, and this rainbow has got a few little dimensional clouds to put over the top of this after you get it painted. This piece is actually designed so that it can hang on the side of your tray if you want to kind of have it spilling off to the side. So I think that's super, super cute. We've got our banner here, and y'all, I could not resist. I really love Lucky Charms cereal. It's one of my favorite things. It's just so nostalgic, and it brings back so many great childhood memories, and I really wanted to bring that in. So we've got our, if you want to paint this like your Lucky Charms cereal, you can definitely do that. But if you're not into Lucky Charms, then I wanted to give you the chance to just put your clovers on there. So you can either do it with your Lucky Charms, or you can do your clovers. It is entirely up to you. We've also got our plaid little clover here. I think that's so adorable. We've got our shamrocks and shenanigans. We've got our little hat here. This is our cute little gnome leprechaun hat, and you can either have it so that it's going up like this so that your shamrocks are spilling out the top, or you could turn it up like this so that they're coming out the bottom. It's totally up to you how you want to place it on your tray. But look how cute it would be to add in a few of these other little pieces for some more dimension. Now, this rainbow here, this guy, I designed him so that he's going to stand up. He's going to stand up like this on your tray. So when you glue this one down, you're going to have it glued 2 on the top, and then you're going to glue 1 onto the back. So it's going to look like a sandwich. And this is going to allow your little rainbow to stand up by itself, so it doesn't need a stand. Isn't that cute? What do y'all think about the tray this month? I absolutely love it. The little gold coins are so stinking cute with the 4-leaf clover on it. We've got our little horseshoes, and y'all, it's just so fun and it's so versatile. You can do anything at all. But look how cute it would be to even do Magically Delicious on your little rainbow here. Wouldn't that be cute? And you could even come back and put your March the 17th on here. And then come back in with maybe some of your gold coins. So y'all, just have fun with your trays. When you send me your trays after you've got them painted, y'all, it just makes me so happy. I think it would also be super cute if you did your Lucky Charm on your little hat here. That would be cute as well. Your shamrocks and shenanigans could even go on here. So y'all, you've just really got a lot of options this month. And last but not least, we've got our white and our gold baker's twine to string up your little banner, and also to make your little tassel to go on your little tag. Isn't that cute? Y'all, what do you think about our tray this month? Do you love it as much as I do? Do you miss not having me painted on camera for you? I really want to apologize for that, y'all. I just totally ran out of time, and I'm going to be probably painting this at midnight. If you want to get your own tiered tray for the month of March, I'll be sure to put a link to that down in the description box below. And don't forget to check out all of my social media, my Facebook page, my Instagram, if you want to see what this tray looks like when it's all painted up. That does it for today's video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the March tier tray box as much as I do. I can't wait to get it painted, and I'm really sorry that I did not get a chance to paint it on camera for y'all, but I've got faith in you. You're going to do a great job, and I know you can do it because you have watched all of my other videos on how to paint your tier tray kit. So I have got 100% faith in you that you can do this on your own. You can do it. Just be sure to share those pictures with me on social media so that I can see what you do with it. And y'all, don't forget, if you want to check out this class on how to draw female characters, I'll put a link to that class down in the description box below. And I'll also have a link so you can grab that Skillshare trial for free. That's all the time we've got for today, y'all. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.